How to seduce a woman with talking if you are an older guy. So the true secrets of seducing a woman with words have been a mystery for a long time, but no problem, I am going to reveal them to you. So first of all, you have to know, the stuff I am going to tell you is not some pickup line bullshit. This stuff is scientific proven mind control. Mind control plays with the subconscious mind of a woman. If you were able to master mind control, you were able to master her emotions. So the brain of a woman is in desperate need of drama and of emotional ups and downs. If you know how to use mind control the right way, you are able to use these addictions in her brain to your favor. If you do not believe me, even it is scientific proven, let me ask you a question. If it is not the case, that women love drama, then why they are watching soap operas on TV? I think you get the point. Even if they cry while watching it, they are secretly loving these soap operas because their brain is addicted to this stuff. But why does this stuff giving women a big kick? It is because these shows taking them on something like an emotional roller coaster. These shows are switching from happy mode to sad mode every few minutes. This makes women crazy, and like you probably already guess, you have to do the same with her. The best thing, by doing this, you are able to make her emotional addicted to you, the storyteller of her own soap opera. But how to do it? First thing you gonna do is to make her remember a happy experience back in time. She should describe the situation in every detail to you. After she told you everything, it is time for the roller coaster to drive down the hill. This means that she should tell you about a negative experience. After that, the magic happens. You are going to tell her a happy experience you made in the past. After that, you are talking about a sad story. Rinse and repeat this stuff, so you can train her brain to create an emotional addiction to the ups and downs you are giving her. Congratulations, you are her personal soap opera now. By the way, if you like to know how to seduce married women, click the link in the description and get my free book.